Hi, baby. He's just one baby? Oh, we can do that. Put this up here. Ready? Good morning. It's Tuesday, day after Monday. Oh, tickle, baby. I know, she has to see it. Oh. Little poof action. Actually, all of these birds could poof up. This is the one, she has the bad eye, so a little more cautious. It's okay. Come on. Come on. It's okay. I know, you gotta watch. They're gonna run around in circles and attract a bunch of them. Here comes Mr. Poofy. He chases her around in circles. Sometimes he stands on her. That's why I think this is a boy and that's a girl. Like an old... There she comes. And here he goes. Oh, I could feed her on the table. Hey, baby. So everybody leaves. Come on, guys. Come on. Pretty blue sky today. Made $15 whole yesterday because I could not leave that encounter with the osprey, which I called the hawk during the whole video because I didn't know. Come on, babies. I think birds are a lot like cats. Sweetheart. Look at... Shh. 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 Come on, guys. The food's over here. Maybe there's osprey around and they're worried. Yeah. They're definitely on high alert for something. Come on, babies. Come on. Sometimes we don't want to go in the carport, so I'm going to try coming over here. Come on, babies. Oh, there's the other one. And just throw some food out here and see if they're more comfortable with that. Well, the seagulls are. Go on. He doesn't know what he wants to do. They're cute though, their little feet, their little web feet. They're like... And you never have to worry about food being left with seagulls in the house, because they'll eat everything. And everybody else is up here. But the food's down here. So, I guess I'm just going to throw some hot dogs out and turn it off and go watch Roy, because he's going to sing very soon. It's always such a treat. We love Roy.